Hello, this is Science Wonders. Oh, look, here comes Tim. He's coming through. Oh, old pal Tim. Let's turn him around and let him say hi. Hey, everybody. There's Tim. Hi, today's a science video, so I'll be wearing these. Oh, Tim, gotta move your hand. Move that little hand of yours. Okay, today we'll be making fluffy slime. This is Science Wonders. Fluffy slime. And today we will be using the goggles. This is really cool. I just threw it to somebody. That's Aspen.
Aspen and Jack's channel.
Aspen and Jack's channel. Subscribe to them. And let's get started. She's going to be giving me thumbs ups. Whoa, almost took this thing down.
I'll give the instructions. You get a bottle of glue. You'll need a bottle of glue, that's good. Then you need to add shaving cream.
About twice as much of shaving cream. And then you have to add your lotion. It doesn't really matter what lotion, but we chose this.
Add as much as you want.
The mold is stretchier.
This one's not that stretchy.
Yeah, we didn't put much lotion in that one. That was, you guys might recognize this. That's from Zoe's channel. Zoe's Epic channel. You see the lotions right there. And then I store it. Here. I store it. So I'm going to add some food coloring now. This is called food dye. I mean, it's mostly for shorts. You might have saw her shorts she made. This is what she used. Here I go. It's purple. That was a big splatter. I think that will work. This is going to be a cool one. It's purple slime. I didn't even use purple food coloring. I actually don't know if there's such thing. You can look around. But we used purple dye. Purple dye is much better. It works. All the dyes work really well. You can make it dark purple or light purple. I'm thinking more of a dark purple. I like purple. Purple's one of my favorite colors. And Tim will also come back at the end of the show. If all of you like Tim, tell me. You guys can write comments if you like Tim. Please don't say that you don't like him. That would break his heart. If you like him, please tell us. If you don't, just don't tell us. Me and my brother Jake built Tim all by ourselves. He was a hard guy to build. I mean, I guess this might be okay to eat. We don't know. Actually, I think it is okay to eat. This is okay. It's non-toxic. But I don't eat it. It doesn't taste good. Why don't we add more food coloring? I want this to be a dark purple. This is saline solution. You also need that. Can you give me more food coloring? So, this is what it looks like so far. Whoa. What did you just do? Okay. I'm going to add a lot. Just keep it next to me because I want this to be a dark purple. Okay, let's see if that's up. Do you want to see what it looks like now, guys? I bet you do. Awesome. Holla. It's looking good so far. Here's the spoon. It is very dark purple. I mean, it's beautiful. Do you think we need some more saline? If you use a paper bowl like this, it will start to stretch out. My things I think you should use is more like glass bowl.
Oh, and always have an adult around. Just kidding.
You don't have to have an adult.
I'm your adult.
You don't have to have an adult. I mean, it's fine not to. Nobody cares.
Lily, you do this as a straw.
We had to cut the straw. Oh, by the way, Tim's arms are straws. And Tim involves wires. It's called a tin can robot. You get it how I called him Tim? His middle name's Can. Tim Can. Add more. Let's make this a dark purple. Okay, that's good. This will look pretty good. Gotta mix in the purple really good. Really nice. Let's get it all over this purple. Oh, she got some on the floor. Okay. I think I need my... That was Science Wonders. Goodbye. Adios, amigos.